Our societies have become more diverse, and this has influenced learning in our classrooms too. Classes are also more diverse and heterogeneous. It is a great challenge to ensure that all participants in the classroom achieve the same learning goals despite their different cultural backgrounds and learning levels. Teachers can't provide the answer to this challenge by themselves. Research evidence shows that facilitating dialogue and interaction and including the community in the classrooms can offer better results and more learning for everyone involved. An interactive group is an inclusive way to organize the classroom that promotes continuous dialogue and interactions between the participants, volunteer helpers from the local community, and teachers. The groups are mixed in terms of age, gender, cultural background, and learning levels. The objective of interactive groups is for all students to achieve together the same learning goals. It promotes a better understanding of each other, creates better cohesion in the class, and the students also develop social skills such as teamwork, appreciating different views and opinions, showing solidarity, or finding new friendships. Interactive groups are based on the fact that mutual help between equals facilitates better learning. Those who have understood a task quicker than the others have the challenge to explain it to someone else in their own words, in their own way, which is the best way to consolidate their knowledge. At the same time, those who find it more difficult to understand or solve the same task have someone who explains it in a different way from the teacher, often with words that they understand better. It can get loud and a bit chaotic, but it means that students are having lively discussions. They are also solving a task together, some of them explaining, others listening. Every one of them is part of the dialogue. They all contribute with their own knowledge and experience. They might come to a solution in a different way than expected. They might explain things differently from the way the teacher would explain them. But there is always more than one way to solve a problem. Each group has a volunteer who helps if they get stuck on a problem. They can be family members or people from the local community. They don't need to be experts in the learning subjects, but they bring their own valuable experience and knowledge and their willingness to help. The teachers also find themselves in a different role. They are no longer the ones who have all the knowledge and expose it to the participants for them to absorb. They do give the initial input, and they are there to help if a group can't solve a problem. But they do that in a dialogue with the students and not as providers of knowledge in a one-sided way of communication.